Hello again, this is Dale Carson, attorney, Jacksonville, Florida, author of the book Arrest Proof Yourself. I answer a lot of questions online. People write me and have various questions that they will ask. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions about what should I say to the police when I get in a car stop, if they come to my house and want to make an arrest, if they have a search warrant and they knock on my door. What do I do? And the answer to this is really, really clear. If a police officer or an FBI agent walks up to you and asks you questions, here's the neat right that you have it as an American. You don't have to say anything at all. Now, yes, if you're driving, you got to show them your license, maybe your insurance card and your registration. If you're walking, there's no requirement to show them an ID, as long as you can dispel the worry that a police officer might have for persons or property in the area that you might pose a danger to them. But as long as you can allay those fears, you don't have to say anything to them at all. It is absolutely, utterly not required. I had a question the other day asked to me in which they said, look, I'm in the car, I get stopped, and the officer wants to have a conversation with me. What do I have to tell him? Do I have to answer questions? And the answer is no. You don't have to say anything to anybody. Your ex-wife, your own wife, a girlfriend, the FBI, police department. You don't have to say anything to anybody. And I will give you this warning. When you say stuff that your part of your brain is saying, maybe I shouldn't say this, that part of your brain is right. You simply shouldn't say it. And once it escapes your lips, then it becomes fodder for a prosecution against you for the violation of some offense. And you may not have any idea what that offense is, or why you're being charged, or why you're being questioned. So it's simply better to say, look, I don't have anything to say, officer. And then wait for that long period of silence that's real hard for people. When that long period of silence draws out, you feel like you got to fill it with something. Well, don't fill it with something that may result in you being in custody for the rest of your natural life, okay? You have a right, essentially, not to answer any questions at all. If you have questions concerning this or other matters, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to chat with you. We can be reached at www.dalecarsonlaw.com or on the phone, 904-355-6777. You got to know the law so you can protect yourself.